these deals are good from November 3rd until next Saturday, November 9th, which is my birthday, so I'm super excited about that. So I did get 2 additional coupons in the mail for it being my birthday. So some of the deals, you guys, it's not going to be the exact same, but I didn't use the 20% off coupon in my breakdowns when I'm explaining it to you guys to make sure that you can do the same deals that I did. So if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. I try to post as many videos as possible every week. I was having a ton of tech issues, so I think I finally figured it out, so we're good to go on that. I do CVS, I do Walgreens, sometimes I'll do Family Dollar breakdowns and Dollar General as well. So if you're looking for a place to make sure that you guys can save as much money as possible, if you guys want to use that money for your family or something else. So let's dive into the deals. So many hot deals at CVS and Walgreens this week. Actually, they're both super hot. So I don't even know which one would be better than the other. So I got a ton of great CRTs at the Red Box. Make sure you guys go to the Red Box, scan your extra care card or type in your phone number and get all the CRTs. Some of them are printing for everyone, so everyone will be able to do the deal as long as they have the extra care card. So let's dive into the deals. Okay, so the first deal is going to be on the Ives. So super hot deal on Ives. You can get 4 of these for very cheap. So they're on sale, buy one get one half off, spend 20, get an $8 extra box. So what you're going to do, you're going to pick up 2 of the 50 count, which are these. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the 24 count. So they're going to be $8.49 and then $4.24, and they're going to be $5.99 and then $2.99. So that way your total comes to $21.71. You're going to use 4 of the $3 off coupons that you can print from coupons.com. So I'll have the link in the description box below. If you do have a CRT for pain relief, make sure you guys use that with this deal. I did not. So you're going to pay $9.71 out of pocket, get back an $8 extra back. So final cost is $1.71 for all 4 of those, or just 42 cents each. So super hot deal if you guys want to stock up. I got the back and muscle relief. Next deal is on the Rimmel. Where's my other one? I have another pencil floating around here somewhere. But Rimmel is on a sale, spend 12, get an $8 extra back. So the best deal is to get 3 of these little pencils, but my store never usually has that many, so there are only 2 available. I grabbed 2 of these and I grabbed 1 of these. So check out the in-store video.
Rimmel this week is spend 12, get an $8 extra buck. I'm gonna pick up 2 of these pens that are $4.59. I wanted to get 3, but they only had 2. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of those and 1 of these. That way I can hit that $12. And these are right here for $4.99. Only have 2 left of the Rimmel coupons from, it was a long time ago from the inserts. I think it was a $9.29 Smart Source. So I'm gonna use 2 of those, get back an $8 extra buck, should make for a really hot deal.
Okay, so final pricing on that, you're gonna use 3 of the $2 off 1 coupons from the $9.22 Smart Source. You're gonna pay $7.77 out of pocket, get back an $8 extra buck, makes it a nice little money maker, about 23 cents. So not a bad deal. And the next is Almay. So the best thing I could find for Almay is this guy. It's the Goddess Lip Gloss. So check out the in-store video for some different options.
Almay is on sale, spend 10, get a $4 extra buck. I got a $3 off coupon in the mail because it's my birthday on November 9th. So I'm gonna use that. Then we got a $4 coupon CRT from the Red Box that everyone got. So the easiest deal is to get 1 of these lip glosses, the Goddess Gloss. It's $10.29. And then I'm gonna use the $4 off CRT, the $3 coupon, pay $3.29, get back a $4 extra buck, make it a nice little moneymaker for today.
So super hot deal on some makeup this week. The next one I did in this transaction is for the Eucerin. So unfortunately, Eucerin at my store, they just switched it. So they didn't have the actual ones that I wanted to grab. So I kind of had to ad lib and get a few other ones that wound up being a little bit more out of pocket than I had originally planned. But it happens sometimes, inventory changes, so you want to make sure that you can kind of switch it up sometimes. So Eucerin, spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. I grabbed this guy. I believe it was $12.79 or something like that. This is the larger advanced repair. Then I got this smaller advanced cleansing. So this was like, I don't remember, $8.99 or something like that. So I tried to get as close to the $20 as possible. The best deal would be to buy 2 of the daily hydrations that are $10.79. That was what I originally wanted to do. So if you do get those, you're gonna use 2 of the $3.50 off 1 coupons from Eucerin.com if you share it. If you've already shared the coupon and you've done this deal in previous weeks, you can still get the $3 off coupon, so that's what I used. So that link will be in the description box as well to be able to print those coupons. So you're gonna use 2 of those. I had a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT that I paired as well. Paid $11.58, got back a $10 extra buck, made them just 79 cents each, so not a bad deal there. Okay, so that was the end of my first transaction. Next transaction I did, I got some Lady Speed Stick. You can get the men's as well. They're on sale $2.99. Use a 50-cent coupon from speedstick.com. Again, that'll be in the description box for you guys. So you're gonna pay $2.49, get back a $2 extra buck. Makes it just 49 cents for some deodorant. So if you guys need men or women's, make sure you guys head to CVS and grab that deal. So another deal I'm super excited about is, this is a very big bottle of St. Ives, like the size of my face. It's the 24 ounce. So St. Ives or Caress. I just got the St. Ives, it was a better deal. If you like Caress, you could get that as well. So deal is spend 15, get a $10 extra buck. I'm gonna pick up 3 of these. They were $4.99 each. In my store, they actually wound up being $5.29. Online, they were $4.99. So just adjust your math accordingly. You're gonna use a $1 off coupon from the 11.3 Retail Me Not. Then you're going to go to stives.com. You're going to apply for their email blast. Then you're gonna get a $1.50 off 2 coupons sent to you, so you can print that off. Then I had a $2 off $6 body wash CRT. Total I paid was $10.47. Got back a $10 extra buck, made them 47 cents for 3 of these big guys. Super, super excited about that. So, not a bad deal for some body wash, and I'm kind of running low, so. Okay, next deal is on oral care. So I had an oral care CRT, so I want to combine these. We haven't been getting very many good oral care deals, in my opinion, at CVS, but I want to give it a shot. So I'm combining 2 deals because I had a $3 off $12 oral care CRT. So the Optic White is one deal. You're gonna buy one at $4.99, get back a $2 extra buck. You're gonna use a $1 off coupon from coupons.com. So you're gonna wind up paying $1.99 for this. Then the Colgate mouthwash, I got 2 of them. Deal limit on this is 2, I did it twice. You're gonna buy them at $3.99 each. You're gonna use a $1 off 1 coupon from the 11.3 Smart Source. Then you're gonna use a $1 off coupon from coupons.com. So that way if you didn't buy multiple newspapers, I only wound up grabbing 1, you can still do the deal. You can also use 2 coupons from coupons.com. So however you wanna mix and match your coupons. So then I'm gonna use that $3 off $12 oral care CRT. Final cost was $6.97. I got back $2 in extra care bucks for each of these, and then $2 in extra care bucks from the toothpaste. So that was a total of $6 back. Final cost is just 33 cents each, so that made it a lot better of a deal. Anything under $1 for toothpaste, I think, is a stock-up price. So last deal I did in this transaction is the Shea Moisture. Super excited about this. I've never tried Shea Moisture. I've heard good things about it. I just started using Nexus a little bit ago, so I want to give the Shea Moisture a shot. It's on sale, spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. Finally got a CRT to match up when they had a sale. I had a 4 off of 15 Shea Moisture CRT. So then in the 11.3 Retail Me Not insert, we got a $5 off of 2 coupon, which is awesome. So I wound up paying $13.98. Getting back a $10 extra buck makes them just $1.99 each. So super hot deal, really excited about that. Okay, so the next deal I did is on the cash card deal. So this is the hottest deal going on right now, I would say, at CVS, because you're gonna get a $10 cash card. So a cash card, and let me go get it for you. Okay, so this is what the cash card looks like. It's a gift card in essence. So it's not linked to any account. You know how extra care bucks and CRTs are linked to one account. So you and your friend can't give each other CRTs and extra care bucks. But with the cash card, it's just a gift card. So if I want to give this to someone for Christmas or something like that, I can. Also, it's going to be great for when you're doing Black Friday shopping to just have a bunch of gift cards to help pay down the out-of-pocket at the end. So that's why I want to make sure I can take advantage of this. It is a limit of one per week. We do have another cash card deal next week, which has a few different items. So stay tuned for that. So the deal that I did was I got one Gain Flings, they're $4.94. One Tide Pods, $4.94. One Gain Liquid, $4.95. Two Febreze. These are buy one, get one half off. So it was $4.29 and $2.14. Then I got the Dove deal. So it's buy one, get one half off. And the Dove coupon is a BOGO. So it's when you buy a Dove body wash, you get a Dove men's body wash for free, up to $6. So it takes off $6. So this is $8.99 and this is $3.75 because it's half off and they're typically like $7.99 or something. But then when you use that BOGO coupon, this winds up being completely free. So total comes to $34.02. You're gonna use a $2 off digital coupon for the Gain. You're gonna use a $2 coupon from pngeveryday.com. You're gonna use a $2 digital coupon for the Tide Pods. You're going to use the BOGO coupon for Febreze from the November P&G, takes off $3. Then you're gonna use the BOGO coupon for the Dove, takes off $6. I had a $2 Dove CRT from last week that I used, and I had a $3 off of 12 laundry CRT, and then we had a 50-cent Febreze app-only coupon. So all those coupons combined, I wound up paying $13.52 out of pocket, getting back the $10 gift card. Final cost is $3.52 for all 7 items, or about 50 cents per item, which is awesome, awesome stock up price. I mean, imagine 50 cents for 32 loads of laundry. So super hot deal to go from $4.95 down to 50 cents. So definitely recommend taking advantage of that, and then you get that gift card that you can also give to someone as well, and you can use that as a gift if you want to give some gift cards out for Christmas coming up. So the next deal I did is on the hauls. With the weather changing, I usually always get sore throats, unfortunately, so I wanted to take advantage of the hauls deal. It's on sale, buy 2, get $1 extra back, and they're on sale 2 for $4. So I picked up 2, I tried 2 different flavors. This one looked kind of cool, so I want to give it a shot, but cherry is always my favorite. We had $1.25 off one from the 11.3 Smart Source. You're gonna pay $2.75, get back $1. Makes them just 87 cents each, which is not bad. Good stock up price, especially for cold and flu season coming upon us. Last deal I did, if I can find it, is on the Paparazzi nail polish. So check out the in-store video.
Paparazzi nails again are on sale. They're always 2 for $5, as you see here. Buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. Again, makes them 50 cents each. We've been seeing these time after time. As you can see, a lot of people are taking advantage of this because there's not a whole lot of colors left. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these and add them to my cart.
Okay, so same deal that we've been getting week in and week out for the Paparazzi. They're on sale 2 for $5. Buy 2, get a $4 extra back. So your final cost is just 50 cents each. Super, super hot deal on that. I will have a printable breakdown in the description box of all these deals as well, so make sure you check that out at the end. And another deal I did actually is on the Ajax. So I wasn't actually planning on picking this up, but I walked by it when I got my stuff for the cash card deal, It's $1.99. I needed more dish soap, so it wound up being perfect. So make sure you guys are buying things that work for you guys. Don't just necessarily buy them from the video. If you guys need the stuff, make sure you guys take advantage of these deals. So these are $1.99. We had a 50-cent off coupon that I used, made it just $1.49. So not a bad deal. It's 28 fluid ounces. Walgreens is having the same deal on Ajax, or there's one other thing, I don't remember. But I'm gonna be doing my Walgreens haul on Tuesday, tomorrow. So I have a booster that's gonna be expiring, so I wanna make sure that I hit some deals tomorrow, and I'll probably be doing a second haul at Walgreens on Thursday. So I'll be sure to post those for you guys. Other than that, yep, those are all the deals that I did. So if you guys have any questions, like usual, please drop a comment below. I'm gonna try to make sure that I'm getting back to doing as many videos for you guys as I can, because I do a ton of shopping. I was very bummed I couldn't share last week's videos because there was really hot deals at Walgreens and CVS, but I'm definitely back, so I'll make sure that I'm posting those for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.